My dear friends, welcome to Rajashekar classes on ethical hacking. This is lecture number 8. In this lecture, we will try to understand best websites to look up WHOIS information for free. Typical WHOIS data can include a name, address, email, phone number, administrative and technical contacts or other important personally identifying information. Before understanding this particular lecture, I request you to go through my previous lecture, that is lecture number 7. WHOIS is not an acronym. It answers the question who is responsible for this domain. We will try to understand 9 best websites to look up WHOIS information for any domain for free. First one is ICANN regulates and provides all WHOIS information. The Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, that is ICANN organization. It uses registration data access protocol in the place of former WHOIS, which uses port number 43 protocol to handle WHOIS request. RDAP, that is registration data access protocol, offers more benefits such as secure data access and user friendly format. To use ICANN lookup, click on the link above, enter the domain name inside the enter a value box and click lookup. You will find information about the domain, contact registrar, DNS, not only this one, domain, contacts, registrar, DNSSEC. This, what is this DNSSEC? I will explain in my future classes. It supports 6 languages. Just you can see these languages: first language, second language, third, fourth, fifth. This particular lookup tool, this supports 6 languages. Next one is WHOIS. To use WHOIS lookup tool, click on the link above. What is that link? That is WHOIS link. Let me repeat. To use WHOIS lookup tool, click on the link above, enter the domain name in the domain name and IP addresses search bar and click the search button or press the enter key on your keyboard. WHOIS is another popular ICANN accredited WHOIS lookup website that also provides IP tools as well as website and domain name services. With this WHOIS lookup tool, you can access critical domain registration information. Examples include domain registrar, status, expiration date, DNS name servers, domain owners, administrative and technical contact details, as well as IP and IP location, web server related domain availability, and premium domain listing. With this third one is, what is this? Third one on our list is name.com, another simple but powerful ICANN approved WHOIS lookup tool. Do not be fooled by its simple looks. This website can give you any WHOIS data you needed. With it, you can get WHOIS data like domain name, registry. Just see this domain name, you can get it. Registry, you can get it. Domain ID, registrar WHOIS server, and registrar URL, registrar IANA ID. What is this IANA ID? I will discuss in future classes. Creation and expiration dates. Next one, that is fourth one, is namecheap.com, is a popular domain registrar and web hosting company that also features an ICANN approved WHOIS lookup service with which you can discover who owns a domain. To do so, simply go to the website WHOIS section via the link above. Enter domain name in search bar. Enter domain name in search bar and click the search button. This way you can discover who owns the site, view their administrative, technical and contact details. This includes domain name, registrar WHOIS server, registry domain ID, registrar IANA ID. As I told you, I will discuss about IANA ID in my future lectures. Registrar URL, creation and expiration dates. Godaddy is another well-known domain name registrar and web hosting company that also provides ICANN approved WHOIS lookup service that help you to figure out who is behind any domain. You can use this service whether or not you have a Godaddy account. Simply visit the link above, enter the domain name of the site you want to verify in search bar and click search button. That just see what information you can get information like domain name, registrar WHOIS server, registrar URL, registrar IANA ID, registrar state or provenance, registrar country and registrant organization. These information you can get from godaddy.com. Next one, that is sixth one, is domainname.com. What is this domainname.com? Domainname.com is a full-featured domain name registrar and web hosting company providing a wide range of domain and web hosting services. In addition, it also has functional WHOIS lookup tool. To use domainname.com WHOIS lookup tool, go to the link above, enter the domain name into the WHOIS database. Search bar, just enter in search bar and click on the search button and check the reCAPTCHA box to provide your humanity. Next one is, this is about WHOIS lookup, this domain name.com, I can say, as I told you, it is WHOIS lookup tool from where you can get wide range of domain and web hosting services information. Also, it works like WHOIS lookup tool. Next one, that is seventh one, is hostingers.com. Hostingers WHOIS domain lookup service can help you to find out all you needed to know about particular domain. It currently supports 41 languages and is absolutely free to use. To use Hostingers WHOIS lookup tool, click on the link above, enter any domain name in the search bar and click the search button. No reCAPTCHA is required. Once completed, you can scroll down to view domains WHOIS record of publicly available information about the person or entity behind the particular domain. This is about hostingers.com. Next one, that's eighth one, is domaintools.com. Domain Tools is another powerful WHOIS lookup engine that can help you to get all the publicly available information about the brains behind any domain or website. To use it for free, simply click on the link above, enter the domain name into search bar, click the search button, check I'm not robot CAPTCHA box and click go. In addition to the regular WHOIS record you get with similar other lookup tools. What are other lookup tools? You can also view the IP address, IP location, IP address, IP location, ASN, IP registrar and hosting history, among others. You can also use it to do a reverse WHOIS lookup. We will discuss in detailed manner about this domaintools.com in future classes. Another one, last one is Eurodns provides a wide range of domain and web related solutions, including WHOIS Lookup service powered by ICANN, with which you can access site's own data. To use Eurodns WHOIS Lookup tool, visit the link above and enter the domain name into the search bar. Click the WHOIS Lookup button and confirm reCAPTCHA to proceed. Anyway, just see this one. This is looks like this. Just enter eurodns.com. This is the link which is the, just enter this one. You will get that required information which we discussed. Just if you go through these websites, just see these are the websites. First one which I discussed about, just see lookup.icann.org. If you enter, you will get this type of website. From this, just study this website in detailed manner. Next one I discussed about WHOIS.com. Just see premium domains, transfer features, login, sign up. Here you can enter domain name or IP addresses. Just go through this website and browse and check web hosting options, website builders, SSL certifications, looking to get a website, all these things. Another one I discussed about name.com, www.name.com, easy solution for demanding projects. Or just I request all of you to view these websites once so that you will get an idea. Just navigate all these websites. Just see this one, namecheap.com, isn't it? This is the website we discussed about it. Just see what are the domains, what is the hosting, what is WordPress, what is email, what is app, security, transfer to use, help center, accounts, all these information. Just browse it, you can understand. This is about Godaddy. You might have seen this website many times. Just you can see blogs, help, sign up, all this information. Just go through this particular website. What are the options available, built for speed and security, all these options. You can check all these options. Just browse this website and check different options, what type of information you will get. Just see Godaddy guides. Just browse all these things. This lecture may not permit me to discuss in detail about every website. It gives just a direction through which you have to go through and learn. And this one is domainname.com, domains, website builders, emails, web hosting, security. Just browse all these websites so that you can understand about each and every website. Another one is domaintools.com. This is about domaintools.com. This is search button. Here you can enter domain or IP address, isn't it? Just make an experiment. Just go through all these websites. Certainly you will get required information. This is eurodns.com. Isn't it? Just see this website. What are the features available in this website? Just go through this one. Just check what is this help and support, what is SSL certificates, what is domain names, what is WordPress, what is web hosting, what is latest blog articles. I request all of you to browse these websites, to navigate through these websites so that you can understand many things. Thank you very much.